Hey homies, how's it going? So today I got something interesting for you guys, and I think it's pretty dope. And I'm working on it with my mother.
Hello.
Right now. We're making beer, and we're making good beer. So let me break it down for you real quick. So basically, my mom found this company online, Craft-A-Brew, and they give you a little kit. You can order them. They got different kinds of beers, I think. I'm pretty sure they got like different kinds of things besides beer too. Like we got the kombucha tea that my mom's already started making herself. But obviously, you know how I do. So I wanted to make the beer. So we're making a honey, well, what was this one again?
That one was I can't remember now, but it was another ale because we don't like IPAs and stuff.
Okay, well, obviously I forgot. Yeah, we don't like IPAs. I don't like hops. She doesn't like hops. Nobody likes hops. Hops suck. If you like IPAs, that's okay, I guess. But we're making the good beer. So anyways, yeah, these kits are pretty cool. They give you everything that you need in order to go ahead, start up, make your own beer, make it in your house. It's a little bit of a process, but if you're just chilling and you're not really doing anything on like a Saturday or a Sunday and you're off work, hanging out, bored, nothing to do, you're not watching my Twitch streams, then you can come here and order off of their website and
Craft-A-Brew.
Craft a good brew. So let's go ahead. I'll show you some of the things they give you. Right now we were on like the end of the process kind of, because I kind of wanted to speed it up. So we're picking up off and on of like where we were. So this is like just a pot of some sugar water that we had to boil, and we'll be doing the bottling today, which is why we have our bottles over here. And they're all ready to go. My mom already sanitized them. Again, just so you guys know, the sanitation process is really important for crafting beer. If you don't follow it correctly, they send you little sanitation packets like in the
Sanitizer.
Mm-hmm. They send it in the kit with it, but it's very important that you follow the directions. And I would actually suggest, both of us would suggest that you watch the YouTube video that they have for crafting the brew and just all of their other products, because it's actually like that's one of the things, like I'm not dogging it, but I hope they kind of like fix it. Like the instruction booklet isn't super clear, so the videos, like watching them kind of helps to like be able to understand everything a little bit better. But anyways, so yeah, we got our bottles right here. Everything's sanitized, it's all clean, and we're gonna show you how all that's gonna go. On my head.
But we're gonna begin with bottling.
Yeah, so we're gonna begin with bottling, but
so tell them, I think it's important that they understand that we actually started brewing this 2 weeks ago. So it ferments for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna put it in the bottles today, and then it has to stay in the bottles to ferment for 2 more weeks.
Yeah.
And that's the purpose of the sugar water, so that the yeast that's present in the brew will continue to eat on that sugar water for another 2 weeks, and it also produces carbonation once we bottle it.
Yeah, exactly. So, like I said, a bit of a process, but it's definitely worth it. It's not something that you necessarily have to, you know, stay on really hard. It's pretty chill. It's pretty laid back. You know, we just checked on it from day to day, and you know, they got like a couple adjustments. You'll see when we get into it. It's not that difficult. And I'll be sure to kind of like upload like check-ins with all this stuff. Like eventually, like after we bottle, we're not going to be able to drink it right away. So I'll probably upload something later, just something quick, so you guys can kind of see like, hey, like the beer turned out great, so you guys know. So anyways, all right, where were we?
So you're going to start bottling. So the first thing you need to do is combine this. You need to siphon it from the carboy into the sugar water. So show them that process, how we're going to get the siphon started.
I forgot, how do you got to get it in there too, right? Okay. So we got some sanitized water in there. Put this end over here.
It's a little hard.
Charlie? No. Charlie's trying to get in here and help with the process.
Charlie, watch out. Watch out, Charlie. You're not drinking any beer today, okay? Yeah, I know. You want some beer, huh? It's hard to get that tube on there the first time.
It's not difficult. It's like...
I would dip that other end back in the sanitizer since it touched the cabinet and let it sit there for a minute. So get your cup ready that you're gonna run that sanitizer. Did all that water come out? Is there still water in there?
Yeah, there's still water in there. I mean, as long as it got in though, are we good, you think? Because as long as it like actually went through it.
Yeah, but it was supposed to have a little bit more in. You can try running it in the cup and see if it starts siphoning. So bring the cup over closer.
I think it is in there. I think it just didn't get full. Let's see. Go ahead.
So you just run it in the cup until it siphons out to beer, and then we're gonna pour out the contents of that cup, because obviously we don't want sanitizer in the brew. It's starting. I see the bubbles. It's starting. It's just having a hard time pulling, apparently. Did you unlock it so that it can run? Thinking we might need some more water. Might have not been enough water. Or hold it up. You know, like, let me... Oh shit, it ran back into the water. Beer.
Okay guys, so we had to kind of figure this whole thing out, and we might have to end up taking this whole pan and just...
Yeah, to get it to run.
Yeah, just do it this way.
Gravity.
So, yeah. Gotta siphon, how we siphon. Take a little minute, get in there, but it smells good though. Smell it.
So maybe you want to explain to them what we're doing again. I think we mentioned it, that we've added sugar water. That's what's in the pot. We're adding the beer to a sugar water solution that we've already boiled and let cool. And for the next couple of weeks, the yeast that are present in the brew is going to feed off of the sugar and continue to ferment and create carbonation.
Yes. And we will have good beer.
Hopefully. Hey, this was our first one, so the second one is going to be easy breezy.
Yeah. Alright, so what's up, you guys? So we went ahead and we just kind of did the siphoning part off camera because that was pretty difficult.
For us being first timers,
Yeah, for us being first time people doing this, that we didn't really understand what was going on, but we figured it out. The beer's in the pot. It's okay. We got our sediment at the bottom of the bottle, or the carboy still.
Which it looks like that because we shook it up a little bit, but it was completely separated, the beer and the sediment.
Exactly, yeah. So now, after all that, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to siphon the beer from the pot into our bottles, and we're going to get it going. So we had to figure out that gravity had to do its job here. Oh wait, you still have sanitizer?
Oh yeah, I do. So we got to run the extra out of the sanitizer. Use the cup first. This is going to be a little tricky to try to do, but once you get, just stop it again once you start hitting beer, when it's running out of the line. You just want to fill them up to like just about to the neck. To the beginning of the neck, the bottom of the neck. How's it looking?
Looking good. It's looking good. Just take a peek-see right quick. We got them big industrial bottles.
Be careful when you put that beginning in.
That one went a little bit past, but
it's okay.
It's alright. First one and done.
Okay, I was gonna sit down.
Set it to the side. On to the next. So we got the siphoning process done. All of our brew is in our bottles. We already started going ahead sealing the bottles. We got 2 of them right here just so you can kind of see what they look like after. We got some pretty nice bottles. I like them. Pretty big, pretty nice, whatever.
On Amazon.
Yep.
$40 for 12, but one will arrive broken.
I will throw a link in the bottom. I'll throw links for everything that we had to actually get that was extra that didn't come with the kit. It's not a lot of stuff, but it's stuff that you might want to keep in mind. So, so here we go. We're just finishing up the rest of them. See, we got our sediment, bottom of our carboy.
And pour that out.
Yeah, gotta get rid of that. You don't want that. That's the nasty stuff right there. I wonder how these are open. That's very easy closing them. So, boom. All right, so all of our bottles sealed, packaged. Now they're gonna go into a warm,
cool, dark place.
Cool, dark place somewhere in our basement, and they will sit there for 1 to 2 weeks, and then
2 weeks.
2 weeks, and then we'll bring them back up. We'll probably crack one open, see how it tastes. They did mention if the flavors are a little weird, then you should probably let them sit down in that secluded place for a little longer. Let them
1 to 2 more weeks.
Yeah, so nothing major, takes time to make greatness, and that's the bottling process. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys the process for crafting the brew and then putting it into the carboy and throwing it into a dark, cool place and letting it sit until it's time to bottle it and let it sit some more. So overall, it's a pretty cool process. I think for this being the end of it, it's all right. It wasn't too bad. I mean, it was a little bit of a learning curve, but now that we got it down, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. I feel like once you kind of figure out how everything goes, like I feel like the hardest part of this probably was the siphoning, and that's just for us. But
Because it was our first time.
Yeah.
Trying to siphon.
For the most part, it's pretty easy and it was pretty chill, you know. So, like I said, this is something you could do like on a Saturday or a Sunday and just hang out, you know, with one of your buddies, your partner, whatever it may be, and have a good time, you know, family. So, yeah. So, like I said, we'll get down to the next one in the next video, and I'll show you guys how we get this bad boy popping, and we'll go on from there. So, thank you guys. Please leave a like. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps. Make sure you also go and follow my Twitch account because that really helps as well. And that's where you'll probably be seeing me drinking these babies. So, all right, guys, I'll get up with you. See you in the next one.